for those of you that have a Wagon, this is how you're going to do it on the rear blade on the Wagon. It's a little bit trickier here. The piece is going to have a little tab that you need to depress and then pull the blade towards the wiper arm to release it. Press the tab right there. That's it. So you're going to depress that tab while you pull the wiper blade towards the wiper arm. And we've got some gloves on so we don't get our fingers pinched there where the tab connects into the metal. And there, as you start to wiggle it carefully, once the tab is released, you'll see it slides right off like that. We like to use the Bosch. There's other manufacturers. The Bosch has worked out well for us. You're not going to need the extra parts. Simply take the replacement blade and you're going to hook it over the little arm to get the piece to line up. And the same way that it came off, you're going to pull it now. This time, instead of pulling it towards the wiper arm, you're going to pull away and keep pulling. It's not quite on yet. And watch your thumb there. Keep pulling until you hear it snap or click into place. You'll feel the difference. You can also pull it that way, and there you go. That's the full connection right there where it's fully seated. And you can see the tab is connected securely in the wiper arm. And simply rotate it back down and place it gently on the hatch, and you're all set. Let us know your model of Mercedes down in the comments. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day.